Hi, I want to do just a quick little video to show you how to use our Moodle. This is the book that you'll need, The World of Consumer Service, 3rd edition. You can get that from the bookstore, or you can add the ebook to your book in Cengage. Click on the Getting Started module. Here you'll see read course announcements. If I post any announcements during the semester, they'll be there. If you click on there every day, you won't miss any important announcements. This tells you a little bit about the course. This is our course syllabus, our course syllabus addendum. This is the little instructor video that I'm doing right now. This is a little welcome video that I did, and you can click here to tour, do a quick tour of RAMS Online for student documents. This also tells you a little bit about the Respondus Lockdown browser. And here over to your right, you'll notice that there's a Remind 101. Make sure you join, click join, and this is going to be the quickest way to get up with me. If you have a question, if you'll email me that through Remind, it comes straight to my cell phone. So that I respond to that quicker than I would probably the email or the message on the Moodle here. Next is your enrollment key quiz module. You can't advance to any of the modules until you pass this, take this quiz and have a passing grade. And notice, not week 1 module, not available unless you achieve a required score and take the enrollment quiz. So you have to take that quiz and pass, or get the required score. And then as you scroll down, you'll see your objectives and your resources, all of your information that you need. These are the links that you will click on. This first one is to introduce yourself. Take late assignment quiz. This is the ebook. And then as you finish and mark done, you can go to the next assignment, Module 2. Here's your Chapter 1 PowerPoint. Here's another post to the Customer Service Forum. Here's a case study that you'll need to do, and a chapter quiz. Notice the due date here is 9/26 for this module. Notice your quiz. It closes after August 30th and it's not available anymore. Your forum and your quiz. So basically that's what you'll do all the way through this semester, is you'll go to each module. You'll have your PowerPoints and your assignments, your quizzes. So it's pretty straightforward from there. If you have any problems or any questions, please feel free to contact me, and we will I'll try to get any questions answered for you. I look forward to working with you this semester. Thanks.